Good morning, everybody. Today's April 28th of 2021. Just some updates. Just want to go over some stuff. Hope you guys are doing okay. Welcome to the channel. This is Chris with Outbound Terrain, and I'm damn happy to be here, and I hope you guys are too. So thanks for coming, and thanks for subscribing. You guys are awesome. So let's go over some things. Trying to pump out content and vids for you guys. Like I said, been working, man, real busy. And shop's been busy. We're trying to make it happen. So it's like, there's not much time for rest. Don't try this at home, kids. You might hurt yourself. But anyways, hey, let me go over some stuff. I'm going to go off on my stupid rant thing, whatever, that I do, that I know you guys love. So anyways, give me a sec, man. We'll get started. Thanks for coming. Anyways, glad you guys can come along. Like I said, just some updates. I'm going to just rattle around and bounce around, that kind of stuff. About stuff that's going on with the channel and just stuff. So it all started early this morning, about 0600 hours. Well, the first thing is, my neighbor's got this freaking donkey. His name's Bob. He's a nice donkey. But, 5, 6 in the morning, he decides he wants to get jiggy with it and starts making noises. So I have my window open, I sleep. Mostly with the windows open, now that we're getting a little bit of warmer weather. So it's like, you can hear him. He's like, he's like ramping up, man. And it's like, honks, 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 like that. It'll stop for about a minute. It'll be the same thing. It'll start over again. You can hear him pumping up. Yeah, it's an early morning thing. And then one of the neighbor's chickens got in my property in the back, and my 120-pound Akita ate him for breakfast. Chicken biscuits, baby. Yeah, little chicken sandwich this morning. Hey, it was pretty good. You put some sauce on it? No, he just fucking ate the thing raw. I go in the backyard, the chicken's in a million pieces. He's throwing it up in the air with his mouth. The chicken's going. Anyways, so that was the morning. So up bright and early. It's a nice day in sunny Northern California. At least it's sunny today anyways. So that's about it, man. I had to throw that in there. I forgot. So I hope you enjoyed that little piece of not trivia, but just kind of how my morning started. So wheeling season is coming up. Also just trying to get my rig ready to go. Got a little work on the rear locker there and kind of get that squared away. I got a problem there. I don't know what's up with the switch with that thing. It's not kicking on consistently. But we're going to work on that, getting ready for this wheeling season. It's coming to the end of April, and I hope you guys have a good wheeling season too, man. It's going to be good. Most of the snow up in the Sierras is starting to melt to the higher trails that we normally can't get to when it's snowed in. Like the Rubicon's going to be open here pretty soon. I live about an hour from the Rubicon Trail, and most of the trails we do are in the Crystal Basin, which is in El Dorado National Forest, which is off Highway 50, just to the west of Lake Tahoe. So, hey, the mail lady just came. Let's see what's in the mailbox. Always good things like bills or some other crap that people waste trees on. Come on, camera. Anyways, so I'll see what we got here. It's probably something from the IRS again. The IRS, the Internal Reentry System. Yeah, it's like one of those turkey basters that your grandma had with the big rubber bulb on the end. It's like right in the back door, man. Hey, they don't even get you excited about it. Let's see here. What do we got? Hey, freaking more bills and like 90% fluff and shit. It's like, freaking quit wasting resources. Jesus. All right. So much for that. IRS. Ball washers. I was going to tell you, I forgot to tell you, I try to go to these little estate sales and things and pick stuff up. Now, I got this old Snow Bear trailer. It's a Canadian-made trailer, real nice trailer. I got from this estate sale. Obviously, I've already filled it up with shit, so I've been using it. It sits so low, though. I got a really good deal on it. I'll tell you about it. It sits so low that I had to get these little stupid orange things. You know, when you got a lifted vehicle, you can't really see it when you're backing it up because it's so low to the ground and you're lifted. So I don't see it in my mirror, so I had to get those stupid little bungee sticks. Those little navigational help aids. But anyways, so I got that. This is a state sale, and I got this. Look at this. Take a look at this thing. Look at it. This is the Husky tool rollaway tool chest, man. It's the biggie right there. This goes for over $1,000, man. It's brand, and it is brand new. It's got the external cords. You can even open a beverage here. The beverage of your choice. You stick it right in there and pop the fucking top right off that bitch. Anyways, sorry. So I got this whole thing. The tool chest opens up on the top. Nice. Not a scratch on this mama. And that thing for $500. That's it, man. $500 cash money. Right out the door. Towed it home. Actually, I put this thing in the trailer and towed them both home. So it was a win-win. So it's nice, man. You know, it's I'm just kind of going off on this. Is a nice guy. Has the next property next to me. He's about 80 years old. You know, it was his farm, but he bought the farm. He bought the farm, which means, you know, he obviously passed. And then they sold the farm. So he's a nice guy, hardworking guy. Didn't cause any trouble. 80-year-old guy. He'd wave at you every time he went by. You know, didn't go getting kicking in windows and burning down businesses like some people do. So he actually was productive and provided a service to humanity by being a nice person. But anyways, I got this old thing. It's old stuff. I like this stuff. This is an old Shopmate. Built in, where was it built? Boonville, Missouri. Look at that, man. Made in the USA. As opposed to this piece of crap that I have that burned up. Anyways, this little stuff like that. You know, I got that Ryobi chop saw. I got that floor cooler over there. You can't see that saw. I got that Ryobi saw. I got a bunch of stuff, man. Just, you know, if you can ever get to one of those, go to one of those and, gosh, just pick some stuff up. Yeah, Bob's a donkey. Hey, he got a donkey. No, he really has a donkey. Oh, he's got a donkey. Tell him to shut the fuck up. Oh, damn it, and Mahatma Gandhi. Yep, here comes the neighbor. So, Mike, how you doing? Well, you know, your chicken got in the backyard, and it's winter chicken dinner for my Akita. So, sorry, I didn't mean to upset you. No, listen, man, you know, he flies over the fence. My dog eats him. He's on my property. I'm sorry, dude, you know. Your chickens, you know, you need to put GPS locator devices on them so they don't fly too far away from the coop. But anyways, sorry about that, man. Well, fuck you too, dude. You know, hey, tell your mother I called and tell her hello. I said hello and tell her that I miss her and I shaved her back for you so you won't recognize her next time you see her. And you always wonder who's watching these, you know, as far as like government agencies or whatever. I don't know. I mean no harm, you know, whatever. I guess I'm not very much politically correct. So my neighbor built this home-built helicopter. He built it in his garage. Balls of steel, man. Would you fly a freaking home-built helicopter? Okay, honey, I'm going I'll see you in a while. I'm gonna go get some groceries. Well, you can't see it, man. You can hear the damn thing though. It's like freaking death trap. Man, could you imagine that? I'm gonna build an airplane in my garage. I'm gonna build a helicopter. Yeah. Yeah. It's like you paid like 30 grand for this thing. Like, whatever. I watched them build it. And like I said, man, you miss another bolt when you're going down, baby, the side of a mountain or whatever. I don't wish any ill luck or, you know, any of that stuff on anybody. But can you see it? There it is. Man, they're a freaking acrobat. Up and down and up and down. Anyways. Oh, so guy from the machine shop called. His name's Mike. Nice guy. Great machine shop. I've taken a lot of heads and a lot of different parts down there to be tanked and cleaned. And so I got the head back on this 86 4Runner build that had a blown head gasket that I took completely apart. Sorry about the frame. You know, never loan anybody your camera equipment, because I needed some equipment to do this part of the segment. But that's okay, man. So anyways, so got it back. I guess they took, it wasn't really warped. And this is a great little motor the Toyota made in this year. They're pretty durable. So they took 5/1000ths off the bottom. So whenever you get your head, you take your head off and you're going to change a head gasket, you get a resurface, guys. So 5/1000ths, not that much. No real warpage, he said. Valves are okay. I'll adjust the tappets and the lash later when I get it on the motor, because it needs to be bolted down, meaning, you know, you got to adjust the valves and stuff. And this isn't a video about how to do that. I'm just rapping with you. But other than that, I got my head. Which reminds me, okay, I'm going to go off on some head jokes. Hope you guys don't mind. So, the guy's name's Mike. So, I went down there and I picked this up, and Mike gave me the head. Thanks, Mike, for the head. And, I could have given the head to Mike. Hey, Mike, can you hold my head? What else? Bam, 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 bam. He's thinking, head is a terrible thing to waste. Like a certain college fund, or what else? Don't lose your head. Anyway, stupid. Sorry. I try to have some kind of comedic banter in my videos. So anyways, I'm going to put this on. So it's just moving along. So, you know, I was going to ask you guys, you know, like I said, this is an update. And, you know, it's kind of hard to come up with content and have ideas. If you have any ideas of things you want me to do or whatever, leave it in the comments. I dare you. I dare you! Just leave it there and let me know. And, God, I'll do it. I'll do anything. I'm not getting paid for this, you know. Products and stuff I'd like to review. They could pay me for that. But anyways, this channel's growing. So we just kind of putting around the house. I called in sick today. I said, you know, fuck you guys, I'm not coming to work. I'm going to call in dead. Then they'll never need me again. But anyways, so that's about it. So I'm just kind of, you know, like I said, any ideas. I'm just working on stuff. Got a bunch of other projects. Summer's coming up. I got some great ideas for some outdoor stuff that I'm working on. And I'm getting some new camera equipment. And we're just going to kind of expand and make it for you guys. Because it's all about you guys, man. Good men. You know, living a good life, you know, taking care of yourselves, your mental health, this COVID shit. Hopefully we'll go back to Wuhan where it started. Get out of here. Anyways, yes, you know, like I said, man, just, you know, I think you're good guys out there. That's why you subscribe. But anyways, thanks for being model citizens and not burning down somebody's business or breaking windows out or throwing Molotov cocktails, you know, stuff like that. But anyways, I'm going to go off on that. It's kind of a tender subject with me. That's it, man. Like I said, leave some suggestions. So I'm going to move on with the video. So I think I'm going to wrap it up, guys. Just some updates. Thanks for coming and watching. So guys, take care. Thanks for coming by. It's always good to have you, man. Be sure to subscribe. And if you don't, I'm going to find you. Anyways, a lot of projects, probably too many. I got the old Jeep Comanche. I don't know if you guys know about this. This is an 88 Olympic Edition Comanche that I'm restoring. Just kind of make it a street vehicle. I want to drive it around. It's looking pretty good. Yes, I reckon it's always something to do. Love the old stuff, man. Hope you guys take care. And I wanted to talk about another subject, which is very delicate for a lot of men, especially in their middle age years. It's these. Man boobs. It happens. MOOBS, moobs. So, and core. I guess I got to work on this stuff. I was looking in the mirror the other day, but I guess I'm not going to be wearing a freaking swim trunks at the beach. We're supposed to go to Hawaii. I think I'm going to have to bundle up, you know, like a freaking Eskimo or a babushka. Ha! Don't show your body to people. You're a fat fuck. Anyways, so hey, I'm gonna work on the man boobs, and I promise I will be in trim freaking shape, and I'll be a freaking Thunder from Down Under guy. I'll be freaking shaking it. People are gonna be amazed. Hey, he's the oldest freaking guy I've ever seen that can swing it. They're gonna be putting dollar bills right here. Yeah. I'm gonna be rich. All right, man, take care. Thanks for joining the channel. It's Outbound Terrain. Chris, talk to you later. Bye-bye.